Quantitative remote sensing involves creating models that allow us to estimate the amount of a specific biophysical variable that may be contained within an image pixel. Okay, so here's the problem. I have some high spatial resolution imagery, or even some field data that allows me to count individual trees and determine the vegetation density at my field site. But my data only cover a very small area. Alternatively, I have some lower spatial resolution satellite imagery that covers a large area, but I can't see individual trees to determine the vegetation density. Can I combine my datasets to estimate the vegetation density over a large area? Here's what we need to do. First, we map the vegetation in the high spatial resolution data. We determine the percentage of vegetation contained within an area corresponding to the lower spatial resolution pixel. Determine a variable in the lower spatial resolution imagery that relates to the biophysical variable you're trying to map. Here we can look at the NDVI. We now correlate the NDVI that's contained within the lower spatial resolution image pixels with the percentage of vegetation determined using the higher spatial resolution classification. We develop a relationship between these two variables and reapply the equation back to the original lower resolution image. We have y equals mx plus b, or to rearrange this, we can then determine the vegetation density at the site. We have now converted the NDVI to vegetation density across the whole area.